Lentils. Lentils are a type of legume that come in different colors, including green, brown, red, and black. They are a great source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Lentils have been cultivated for over 8,000 years, and were one of the first crops domesticated by humans. They are a staple food in many cultures around the world, and are used in a variety of dishes, such as soups, stews, salads, and curries. Lentils are low in fat and calories, making them a great choice for people looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. They are easy to cook and can be prepared in a variety of ways, from boiling to roasting to pureeing. Lentils are gluten-free and a good source of complex carbohydrates, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. They are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and inflammation. Lentils are also a good source of iron, which is important for maintaining healthy red blood cells and preventing anemia. Lastly, lentils are an eco-friendly food, as they require less water and fertilizer than other crops and can help promote sustainable agriculture.